So let's move on to the next one, which is boost your profile. So boosting your profile is an interesting feature, guys. And by the way, I think I mentioned this. If you have to have some few dollars with you, if you want to make use of these features, but they are interesting features. I just thought that I should make a video that is focused on explaining them, because I want you to also understand that these are features that are available. If you want to use them, you can use them. Now, boost your profile. What does this mean? So let's say, the platform is very competitive. When a client posts a job, normally they give them an option to do freelancers. So let's say I have posted a job. Once I'm finished posting a job, I'll be given a list of freelancers that I can invite for that job that meets the criteria that I've set on that job. If a freelancer boosts their profile, what happens is that when I submit a job, let's say a freelancer boosts their profile for project management. They are project managers and they decided to boost their profile. So what will happen is that I would see the profile of that freelancer. Upwork will suggest that particular freelancer to me for me to invite them for that job. So now, if I click on that profile and send the invite, then Upwork will be charging you some connect for this. So this is what boost your profile means. You can boost your profile so that Upwork can recommend your profile to clients. Then clients can select you or invite you to jobs. So let's say you have some few dollars, you can buy connect. The cost of the connect is the same. So just that you have to buy this connect and have enough connect. All right. This is it. With a boost, you can bid connect to jump to the top of search results. We will only charge if a client clicks on your profile. So that is really good. You don't want to spend your connect if they don't click on you, right? They don't click on your name. So how do you do this? You have the audience, all right? Select a category if it is admin or IT. So you have a couple of options here. So you can see the more you bid, the higher the chance you will be boosted to the top of the search results. For the sake of testing, let me just do 10 connect. And here they also have like a limit. Either set a daily limit or a total limit, so you don't go over budget. We will stop charging connect after you hit your limit. Total limit is 10. Why not even one connect? I'm just going to say one connect. I'm going to be very greedy. So bid per click is 10 connects. Limit is 10. So the total number of connects I will spend is basically 10. So you will receive up to 10 people clicks on total. This is how it works. And then you can come to this boost button and then click on it. Your profile is boosted. Check back in a day to see how your boost is performing and if you are getting more clicks. On search results, it will start showing my profile, telling people that, oh, Jesse is here, you can hire him and he's available, and so on and so forth. So these are like features that really help you so that you can see they are now turned on. Another thing that you can do is to create video, the video introduction. This is another feature that I wanted to just let you know that it's there, right? Like it's not as if you have to, it's there, like you can use your phone. Okay, if you have a studio like mine, you can record yourself. It's just a way of introducing yourself, and this is a very useful feature. So what do? Just put your phone, find proper lighting, maybe outside. You don't need to go and buy any fancy equipment or anything like that. That's all I'm saying. Just take your phone and put it somewhere. Make sure it is stable so somebody will be able to see you. Now, you don't have to rush to do this. What you need to do is to think about your career. Say you want to introduce yourself and talk about your experience, right? You can do something like this. Say, my name is Jesse Kamara. I have a master's in information systems management from the University of Wolverhampton in London. And I have been working as a product manager since 2017. I have worked with various companies, including NGOs and government agencies. And my specialties are in X and Y and Z. Specifically, I've worked with various clients and built different products, built web application, built mobile apps, and so on and so forth. I've worked with various teams, built teams. I am more specialized in building strong teams and motivating teams, as you can see on my profile. I'll be happy to meet you and talk to you if you want to talk to me. Something like that. Something very simple, something natural, like yourself. You don't have to, it's just about you, all right? Normally, they recommend, make it 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes, just explanatory video. It has to be very genuine. Sometimes that video, just somebody watching that video, they will be connected to you and they will want to talk to you, right? If you are new to the platform, you just say, I'm new to this platform, but I've been working, I've done X and Y projects. You can see my direct clients, you can see my portfolio and so on and so forth. So this is also a feature that you can use. Some people, just by seeing your body language, understanding you, they will be happy to help you. But the last but not the least feature that I think that will be very useful is testimonials, guys. So testimonials is also a way of you boosting your career on Upwork. Now, you may not think that, okay, you may be thinking that clients don't care about my profile. No, they do care. They actually want to, because one way they can only know they can trust you is by what other people have said about you. So when you are new to the platform and you don't have any credibility, what I mean by that is you don't have any repetition, you don't have feedback, use testimonials. You can reach out to people that you know that are working, that have business email, because that's the key thing. For a testimonial to be approved, you have to have the testimonial from somebody who has a business email. That means their email does not end with at gmail.com or something like that. It ends with their company name.com or company name dot something. So you have to find some people, you work for them so that they can provide genuine testimonial for you. Now you have to know this. Upwork will verify this testimonial. So you have to go and volunteer. Go to a local company or anybody. Just do your volunteering and try to build your own skills. The idea is about building, solidifying your skills and having a project that you can showcase. If you can't do it, if you can, maybe these are people that you've worked with before, you can just ask them politely to provide you this testimonial. You make the request. So it's very simple. How do you do it? You just come here, you click on the request, then you see the screen. It's very simple. Request a client testimonial. So this must be somebody that you have worked with before. So they can put their first name, last name, and then their business email. This is where this comes like, you have to have like a business email, all right? You have to have like a business email there. So yeah, you must have like a business email. And then client title, so and so on. So you can have all of that and you send their message. So you have to say the title of the client and the project type. This is optional, but you can send a message to the person that please provide me a testimonial. It may take, it's not something that is immediate. It may take a couple of days or even a week. But once you send this request, you inform the client that please, I have sent you the request. Then they will fill information, submit it, and then Upwork will review. Once they approve it, you will see that you will see this sign here that this is verified. Also, if you have some certifications, you can add that. In my opinion, if you are someone, let's say you have some few dollars, you can use these techniques to actually kind of boost your career on Upwork. This is not something difficult. You can even just use maybe $5. Everything that I've just done here, I have not even spent up to $5 to do this. So you can spend $5, $10, $20. If you have, you can even go up to $50. Put your credit card or your whatever card that you have, put it up there, get some money there, and then buy those connect. Then you can boost your career. Now, the important thing is that make sure you have gotten your profile really, really organized. That's the strategy. Don't go and spend money when you know your profile is not complete, it's not organized. So make sure you have proper portfolio has been done. So you've watched my videos, you know how to create your portfolio. You make sure that your bio is properly written, you have a proper title, and also your specialization is there. So basically, you are ready for the market. That's what I mean. You have to be ready. Don't go and waste your money by doing these things when you know that your profile is not up to date. One way that you can make your profile up to date is by asking other people to review it for you. Just ask somebody, please, can you please review my profile? Then ask them to give you a genuine feedback. That's one way you can also make sure that how somebody feels about your profile. What do they think? Is it matured? Is it immature? Does it feel like you are begging? Does it sound like an expert? All of these things, they are very important for you to really do. So for some of you that have watched the video up to this level, I would encourage you to do that. That's the secret. This is day 7, and that is it. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.